Hi guys, welcome to Get Conqueror, and in this session we are going to solve these problems, kind of. Don't get scared by seeing the problems, like easily you'll be able to do it. Now, before solving the problems, we have to understand few things. That is, see here, if I have two inductors magnetically coupled, okay, magnetically coupled. Now in this, let me have current I1 like this, current I2 like this. Okay, now guys, let me erase this. Okay, now it would be better. Now let us see. If my current is entering here, automatically self will become here only, like V11. My I2 is entering here, self will be like this only, V22, independent of the dots. Now let us think of if dots are like this. If dots are like this, okay, then depending upon the dots, my what is mutually induced voltage will be decided when my current is entering into this dot. When my current is entering into this dot, because of this current, induced voltage should be there here, and because of this current, induced voltage should be there here. Now current is entering into dot, so this dot should become positive. My current is entering into this dot, so this dot should become positive. Okay, so this is going to be V21 because of 2, 1 in 1, and because of 1 in 2. Okay, now in this case, I1 is here, I2 is here. Let me think of my dots are like this. My dots are like this. Now, we need not bother about the dots while defining self-inductance or self-induced voltage. So my current is entering here, so it should be plus, it should be minus V11. My current is entering here, my current is entering here, so it should be V22. Now if you think of this, when my current is entering into dot, this dot should be positive. When my current is entering into undot, my current is entering into undot should be positive. This is going to be because of 2 happening in 1. This is going to be because of 1 happening in 2. Okay. Now, if I have, see here, dot here, dot here. Normally, they will give with 2 only. Beyond 2, circuit will become difficult for gate or something like that. Okay. Of course, whatever the problems we have taken means complete probability is there, and some questions are collected from old PYQs only. When my current is entering here, self. When my current is entering here, self. When my current is entering into undot. When my current is entering into undot is going to be positive. When my current is entering into undot is going to be positive. Undot is going to be positive. Okay. Now, if I see here, if let me keep dot here, dot here. First of all, self if you see, means self is going to be when my current is entering here, self. When my current is entering here, self. And mutual if you see, okay, when my current is entering into undot, undot should be positive. When my current is entering into dot, this dot should be positive. Okay, if you see equations, these two equations should be same, obviously, or these two equations should be same. Why? See here, means currents are, see here dots, or this dot can be replaced from here to here, this dot also can be replaced from here to here, same equations is going to be, or these two dots are here. Let me exchange this to this. Okay, so both the dots, if I interchange, equations are going to be same. Equations are going to be same. And before that, means immediately after that, we have to derive one small funny equation. Okay, let me derive that equation. This is core, and on top of that, in this case, you need not bother about the polarities of induced voltage, because polarities of induced voltage, how to find depending upon dots, all those things we know. Okay, so now if my current here is I1, if my current here is I2, then my pi 2 flux I2 is flowing like this, meaning that total my pi 2 flux will be like this. And if my current is red, my pi 1 is like this. Total flux created because of my first coil, right hand thumb rule we know, right hand thumb rule we know. Now out of this pi 1, some portion will go like this, it is leakage, and some portion will go like this. Some portion will go like this, means some portion of flux created by first coil is going to link with the second coil. Now what is this flux? This is happening because of 1 in 2, because of 1 coming into 2. Now in pi 2 also, total flux produced is pi 2. In this, some component will go like this, it's kind of leakage, and some portion will go like this. Okay, it is going to be because of 2 in 1. Okay, now let me write here one equation, that is means in red case total flux produced is pi 1. In that, some portion is going like this only, some portion is coming to here. Okay, now how much percentage of total pi 1 is linking second coil also is nothing but coefficient of coupling. So I can write pi 1 2 equal to some coefficient of coupling of pi 1. Okay, now let me write blue, pi 2 1 equal to some portion of pi 2 is coming to pi 2 1. So pi 2 1 equal to same k into pi 2. Because from here to here coefficient of coupling, or from here to here coefficient of coupling is going to be same, because ours is bilateral things and all. Okay, now let us think of inductance. Okay, what is inductance? In self-induced voltage equal to L into di by dt, or equal to N into d pi by dt, Faraday converted one. Okay, or we can write N into d pi by di into di by dt, and L is going to be, L is nothing but N into d pi by di. Okay, now we know Ampere's law that pi is directly proportional to I. Okay, or pi equal to d pi by di. Okay, pi equal to some proportionality constant into I, or d pi by di equal to k. d pi by d equal to k, or directly pi by I also can be used. Pi by I also can be used. Okay, now anyway, point here is very simple. What is that? Let me write equation for red. Let me write equation for red, means equation for red is going to be V12. Okay, because of one induced voltage in coil 2, because of one induced voltage in coil 2 is going to be M12 into di1 by dt. M12 into this particular flux is coming because of I1 di1 by dt, or we can write how much is the induced voltage is happening here depending upon number of turns of this. So N2 into d pi 12 by dt. So this is going to be N2 into what is d pi 12 or pi 12 is going to be k into pi 1 by I1 into di1 by dt. Got my point, right? So N2 into d pi 12 by dt. What is pi 12 is nothing but k into pi 1. Some portion of pi 1 is coming into secondary, k into pi 1 divided by I1, because my conductor current is I1 into di1 by dt. Now what is M12? M12 is going to be N2 into k into pi 1 divided by I1 is going to be M12. Now let us think of M21. Okay, now let us think of M21. M21 should be blue. Now M21 equal to, by the same N1 k pi 2 by I2, pi 2 by I2, because in the same way we are going to proceed. Okay, and after that M12 into M21. M12 into M21 is nothing but M square, because M12 equal to M21, because we are looking for bilateral. And one more thing here is, means from now onwards we are not going to see M12 M21, because even if you write M12 M21, ultimately it is going to be M only. Okay, because our networks are meant for bilateral. Now M square equal to, see here, N2 k pi 1 by 1 N2 K pi 1 by I1 into N1 K pi 2 by I2. N1 K pi 2 by I2. Now let me rewrite this equation as N2 pi 2 by I2. N2 pi 2 by I2 into K square into N1 pi 1 by I1. Now N1 pi 1 by I1 or N1 d pi 1 by di1 is going to be how much? L1. And N2 pi 2 by I2 is going to be L2. So this is going to be K square into L1 L2. Or we can say mutual inductance equal to K into under root of L1 L2. Or we can write K equal to M by under root of L1 L2. Okay. Now means already we know that K should be less than 1 or not, 0 to 1. K should be less than 1, because if I see here, means sometimes people think that means if M is more than under root of L1 L2. For example, if K equal to 1, forget about it. If M is more than L1 L2, under that conditions, what's going to happen? Conservation of power is going to be violated. Because see here, if total flux produced here is pi 1, okay, in that some portion of pi 1 only should come, or maximum 100% of flux will come here. But here if 100 flux lines are there, 150 flux lines cannot come here. If 100 flux lines are produced here, 150 flux lines will not come here. Okay, because at any point of time, if my mutual inductance is more than under root of L1 L2, meaning that what does it mean? If 100 flux lines are being produced here, 150 flux lines are going to be linking here, which is not true. Okay, now let us think of small derivation. Like this. Like this. Now if I connect these two in series, then means because of this current, my flux will be in this direction. Because of the same current, see here, same current flowing through with the same sense of the winding, so this also pi 2. Now both are aiding to each other or not? Yes. Now if I think of my current is entering here, so plus minus self. My current is entering here, so plus minus self. Okay, let me take some other color, blue. Okay, now my current is entering here, because of that net flux here is being increased, meaning that net induced voltage should be increased. So this is happening because of 2 in 1. Okay, now see here, because of this flux or because of this current, induced voltage here, because of this current, induced voltage here. Now because of this current, induced voltage will be there here, because of this current, flux is in this direction. Okay, so because of this current, flux is in this direction, so that particular pi 1 is aiding pi 2, so induced voltage should be increased, meaning that it should be plus minus, this is going to be V12. Okay, now what is L equivalent if you ask? Okay, or if you try to keep dots, means this particular red, or this particular blue can be used. So it is going to be ultimately one dot here, another dot here, my current is I1. And here furthest, this is L1, this is L2, in between these two mutual inductance is M. That M value should be less than under root of L1 L2, or coefficient of coupling times under root of L1 L2, we know. Now for this we should be able to find L equivalent. So same voltage. What is equivalent? Same terminal response characteristic should be there. So same V will be there and same I will be there. We have to find out L equivalent. So see here, first of all self. Current is entering here, plus minus V11. Of course here we have done, means from dots also we can do. My current is entering here, plus minus V22. Now if you think of mutual, because of current entering into dots, this dot is going to be positive. because of current entering into this dot is going to be positive. That's it. Now let us write the equation. My equation is going to be, means if I write KVL like this, I am going to touch minus first. Minus of V1, or if you send it to the other side, it's going to plus V. So V equal to V11 self plus mutual plus V because of 2 in 1 plus V22 plus, because every time plus V means happening because of 1 in 2. So this is going to be V11 L1 di by dt, because everywhere same current only will flow, plus V12 or V21. Okay, so voltages can be different, but mutual inductance M12 equal to M21. So directly I can write M into, means induced voltage here is going to be because of current of this, that current is I only, plus V22. So L2 into self di2 by dt, or di by dt, sorry, di by dt plus M di by dt, because everywhere current is going to be same. So this can be rewritten as, L1 plus L2 plus 2M, L1 plus L2 plus 2M into di by dt. Okay, same voltage should be there here. Now what is the equation here? V equal to L equivalent into di by dt. L di by dt, so L equivalent is going to be L1 plus L2 plus 2M. That's it. Now let us think of one more. After this, those problems can be easily solved. Okay, now because of this current here, flux is going to be in this direction, pi 1. Now same current is flowing in this direction, same current. So for this current, because of this, my pi 2 is going to be in this direction. Okay, now if you think of self, my I is entering here, so plus minus self, my I is entering here, plus minus self, this is going to be V11, this is V22. And after that, if you think of mutual is going to be, see here, means when my current is entering here, pi 1, but because of that particular flux, or because of that particular current, or because of that particular flux, net flux here is getting reduced, so net induced voltage has to be reduced. So my mutual induced voltage should be against to self. So plus minus V happening because of 2 in 1. And see here, for this also, means when I don't have this, pi 2 is there. When I have this, net flux is getting reduced, so induced voltage has to be reduced. So plus minus V because of 1 in 2. Okay, or if I think of keeping the dots, okay, so see here, if I think of dot here for self, this is going to be for mutual. This is going to be, actually color coding has been changed, of course it was unintentional. So self to mutual dot, or self to mutual dot, here dot, or here dot is going to be same. So net is going to be L1, L2, I, and if one dot is here, another dot is going to be here. Okay, now for this equivalent has to be found. What is that? So this is going to be V. Okay, now for self, current is entering here, plus minus V11. My current is entering here, plus minus V22. Now if you think of mutual, okay, current is entering into dot, so this dot should become positive. Okay, this is V1 because of 1 into, and now current is entering into undot for this, because of this current voltage will be here, because of this current voltage will be here. Okay, now current is entering into undot, so here undot should be positive, so this is going to be V21 because of 2 in 1. Now if you write the equation, minus V, or V equal to V11 L1 di by dt, plus after that minus M again di by dt, because current flowing through this is also I, and after that plus L2 di by dt, and after that it is going to minus M into my current in the first one is also di by dt. So from here L equivalent is going to be L1 plus L2 minus 2m. If it is aiding, L1 plus L2 plus 2m. If it is subtractive, it is going to be L1 plus L2 minus 2m. Now we need one more equation, that is parallel. Let me think of aiding direction only, because subtractive direction directly I am going to get it from there. Okay, if you want you can derive the same way, that's it. Now let us think of I1 is like this, I2 is like this, I2 is like this. Now let us write equations. Okay, now if you think of self, okay, so let me think of white for self. My current is entering here plus minus V11 or V only, or V11 plus mutual is going to be V. Okay, let me think of V11. My current is entering here, so plus minus V22. Now after that mutual, if you see, my current is entering into dot, so this dot should be positive mutual, so this is going to be V, and because of 1 into, okay, now means my current is entering into dot, so this dot is going to be positive, that is going to be V because of 2 in 1, right? Now let us write equations. Let me make it small. Okay, now see here, minus of V or V equal to L1 di1 by dt self plus M, because plus minus of V or V equal to plus V11 plus V21, so M di2 by dt, because of second first. Now again for the second, if I apply loop analysis, okay, so for second also it's going to be V equal to self is going to be L2 di2 by dt, self and mutual also you are going to get minus of V or V equal to plus, so this is going to be plus M into because of first. Okay, let us convert into matrix form. L1 M L1 into di1 by dt di2 by dt I am not writing that side, equal to V. Or if I want to write di1 by dt or di2 by dt, di1 by dt equal to inverse of that, right, 1 by AD minus BC, this is L2, L1 L2 minus M square into A minus B minus C D into V. Okay, this is not required now. Now let me think of second one. Now let me think of second one. Okay, just a minute guys, just a minute, I did a small mistake. D1 by dt di2 by dt. Okay, now let us write what is di1 by dt. di1 by dt equal to 1 by L1 L2 minus M square, L1 L2 minus M square, L2 minus V, L2 minus M into V. Now what is di2 by dt? di2 by dt equal to as usual 1 by L1 L2 minus M square into di2 by dt, again minus L1 minus M into V. Now if you see here, if you want to find out the equivalent, means my equivalent is going to be, see here, I1 by di1 by dt, di2 by dt. So in my equivalent, di1 by dt plus di2 by dt has to be found. Okay, or if I think of this is I1, this is I2, so net current here is going to be I1 plus I2. In order to find equivalent inductance, di1 plus I2 by dt has to be found. Okay, so So this is going to be d by dt of I1 plus I2 is going to be L1 plus L2 minus 2m divided by L1 L2 minus m square into V. Okay, now what should be the equation? V should be equal to L equivalent into d by dt of I1 plus I2, right? So what is L equivalent now? L equivalent is going to be L1 L2 minus m square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. Okay, L1 L2 minus m square. See here, let me write here. If it is like this, if this is L1, this is L2, and mutual inductance between this is M. So under that conditions, L equivalent equal to L1 L2 minus m square, L1 L2 minus m square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. Let me see here, because normally I don't remember formulas and all. Now if I have another circuit with opposing nature, parallel opposing, if it is here, under that conditions, L equivalent is going to be L1 L2 minus m square. In place of m, minus m has to be kept. So minus of m square is going to be m square only, divided by L1 plus L2 plus 2m. Okay, so now if you get confusion in your exam saying like minus 2m or plus 2m, when to use between aiding and subtracting, just feel one thing, that means in aiding case L equivalent should be more, meaning that in the denominator minus 2m should come, and in opposing case L equivalent should be reduced, meaning that in denominator plus 2m should come. Now we will be able to solve the problems. Now check this question. Means L equivalent has to be found across these two. So L equivalent is going to be, first of all, three inductances are connected in series. Okay, we will see about the mutual inductance later. So first of all, let us go ahead with the self. 4 plus 3 plus 5 self. After that, see between this dot and this dot, circle and circle, here current is entering into the dot, here current is leaving from the dot. Okay, so here to here, is it going to be aiding or opposing? So minus 2 into how much is this? 2 millihenries, so 2. And after that means here and here. Okay, so here and here, is it going to be aiding or opposing? See here, current is leaving from the dot, so it is going to be aiding only. So aiding meaning that plus 2 into 1. Okay, now how much is L equivalent? 4, 4, 3, 5, 8, 10. 10 millihenries. Okay, now after that, let us consider this question. Okay, L equivalent has to be found across these two. Okay, so L equivalent is going to be, first of all, 3 selves, 4 plus 4 plus 4. After that, see my current is entering like this, right? So current is entering into this dot, okay? So this and this with respect to circle are connected in aiding. So plus 2 into circle is 1 millihenry. Okay, and after that, let us think of this. Okay, what do you say? Rectangle kind of stuff. Okay, so if you see R square, Okay, so this is here, this is here. Okay, so for the winding, it is leaving from the dot, it is entering into the dot, it is leaving from the dot because winding is there, after winding leaving, and this is entering, and after that coil is coming, so it should be opposing. So minus 2 into 3. Okay, and after that star 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 for this coil star, for this coil star. Are they aiding or not? Yes, aiding. Okay, so plus 2 into star is 2. So this is going to be 14 is going to be 12. Is it right? Just a minute. 12, 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 minus 6 is going to be 12. 12 millihenries. Got it? Now let us see one more. Let us see one more. In this, parallel is also there, series is also there. And circle star is going to be 2 henries they have given. And L equivalent has to be found from here. Now, see here, for this, circle, aiding or opposing? Aiding or opposing? It's going to be aiding. So 4 plus 4, first of all, 4 plus 4. And after that, this is winding, leaving. So aiding plus 2 into, plus 2m, no, 2 into 2. This problem is solved. Now, if you think of these two, is going to be, frankly, I don't remember equation. L1 L2 minus m square. L1 L2 minus m square. So L1 L2 minus m square. L1 L2 minus m square. Just a minute. L1 L2 N1 L2 minus m square. Okay, L1 L2 minus m square, m. So 4 divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2m or plus 2m? L1 plus L2 plus 2m, sorry, minus 2m, because if the denominator is less, it is going to be for aiding. So denominator should be more. Because this is opposing, no, this is opposing. So whole level of L equivalent should be reduced, meaning that denominator should be increased, plus 2m. So 2 into 2. So 16 minus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. This is going to be 1. So this is going to be 8, 13 millihenries. Okay. Now let us think of this. Okay. Seemingly, you might feel that this problem is difficult. But is this problem difficult? No. Because if some currents are there here, relax. If some currents are there here, because of these currents, voltages will come here. But the moment it is open circuited, so currents will not flow. Through this, meaning that self-induced voltages will not be there in this. Only mutual induced voltages will be there. Right? Now, try yourself just for 1 minute. My current is entering into dot. So this dot should be positive. Now my current is entering into undot. So undot should be positive. My current is entering into dot. So this dot should be positive. These are the induced voltages. Self-induced voltages will not be there because currents cannot flow. So plus minus Vxy, or try to apply KVL in this direction. Minus of Vxy or Vxy equal to plus this, minus this, minus this. So Vxy equal to plus of this. How much is this? This is circle 2 henries. So Vxy is going to be means with respect to here m di by dt. So what is this m? 2 into d by dt, m di by dt. So d by dt of phi t, and after that plus, and after that minus, and triangle is 1. So 1 into d by dt of how much is the current? 4t square. Okay, so plus minus, so it is going to be minus. Okay, minus what is star? 0.5. So 0.5 into d by dt of m di by dt. So d by dt of 4 sin 10t. That's it. 4 sin 10t. That's it. So this is going to be 2 into 5 minus 1 into 4 into 2 t minus 0.5 into 4 into 10 into cos 10t. Problem solved. So this is going to be 10 minus 8t minus 20 cos 10t is going to be Vxy. Okay, in this way problems has to be solved, and but try to remember this equation here, because I'm a faculty, I need not remember. L1 L2 minus 2m, L1 L2 minus m square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2m in aiding, and numerator, denominator if it is reduced, L equivalent is going to be increased, so aiding, and denominator plus 2m, meaning that denominator plus 2m, meaning that L equivalent is going to be reduced, so in opposing case it is going to be reduced. And in the next sessions we are going to solve beautiful problems again. I am K.N. Rao. I completed 20 years of teaching experience in only GATE and ESC. By February 2021, I completed 20 years. And my favorite subjects are machines, network theory, and power systems. And this is my code KNR10. Use this code in order to unlock free initiatives, kind of, it can be special classes or it can be combat. And if you are yet to download Unacademy app, download now itself and use the code KNR10. And you can use the KNR10 code to get 10% discount also in paid platforms, and also you will get my personal guidance. And the next thing is, in Unacademy there are two kinds of paid platforms. One is Plus platform and another one is Iconic platform. In Plus platform, you are going to get live classes, weekly tests, rank improvement batches, crash courses, and doubt solving sessions, Hindi and English batches. I hope I completed everything. Good. And in Iconic subscription, whatever you are going to get in Plus, everything you are going to get. On top of that, you are going to get one personal coach. That personal coach will help you in realizing your weaker sections by analyzing your online tests. Okay. Once you come to know your weaker sections, automatically your subconscious mind will work, right, in order to strengthen them. And the next one more advantage of Iconic subscription is dedicated doubt clearing instructors will be there. The moment you get the doubt, immediately it's going to be resolved. And extra things, kind of study plan also they are going to provide, and preparatory study materials also they are going to provide for Iconic subscription. My personal suggestion is, if you are working guy, go for Iconic. Okay. And in Plus platform, 2434 per month for 12 months after deducting 10% discount by using KNR10 code. After 10% discount, it is going to be 2434 per month, and it is going to be no cost EMI only. That's why I'm focusing on per month subscription. And for 18 months, if you take, it is going to be 2065 per month, and for 24 months, it's going to be 1770 per month for Plus. And Iconic subscription, it is going to be 3769 per month for 12 months, and 3225 per month for 18 months, and 2775 per month for 24 months. And Unacademy is going to about to hike the fee structure. So if you are serious aspirant, try to take as soon as possible. And this is Unacademy Combat. Every Sunday, Unacademy is going to conduct this Unacademy Combat. 20 questions will be there. and 1 hour they are going to provide. One advantage of Combat, I'll tell you, normally if you take any other online test series platform, because I have been here for 20 years, right? Normally questions will not be prepared by faculties in any online test series. Means questions will be prepared by content team. Content team in the sense last year topper, last to last year topper. They might, what they say, create some questions. But will they know the boundaries of the subject? No. Faculties know boundaries of the subject, how to handle the subject, and which type of questions can be expected in upcoming GATE or ESE. Okay, but students know, like, though they are toppers, normally students will give questions in any other online test series. So the advantage of online test series are kind of Combat. These particular questions will be curated by faculties, India's leading faculties. So obviously, with the boundaries, you are going to get the question paper. Okay, and I'm KN Rao. I completed GATE 2023. Okay, ECE and electrical. And this is my Unacademy. What is a link? You can follow me here such that whenever I take any special class, you will get the notifications, and obviously you may not miss any class. Okay. And this is our Telegram channel link, t.me/knrao123, and this is our entire GATE Conqueror team Telegram channel. Okay, kindly come here such that you will get regular DPPs, class notes, and our interaction. Okay, many things you are going to get. And thank you guys, thank you so much. Kindly like the session, share the session to the maximum, because these are our free initiatives. Free initiatives should reach to the maximum people such that it may help one needy guy, right? Thank you guys.